So this tutorial video includes some guidance on how to publish your video once it has been uploaded. It will also have some instructions on how to title your video as well as what information to put in the description. So let's start by adding a title to the video. We need the discipline. In this case, it's voice. Next, we need the class number. We need the name of the performer or competitor, and we'll call her Samantha Smith. We need the selection of the piece being performed, and this is Ginger Cat, and then last the composer, and we'll call him Hubert. So this is what your title is going to look like. In the description, we just want a little bit more information, so the class number, the description of the name of the class, the full name of the competitor, as well as the selection. Now, if you are entering a musical theater class, we also need the name of the production where your piece comes from. So in this case, we'll say that Ginger Cat is a selection from the production called Alley Cats. And then the name of the character. And we'll say this is Manny. So this is what your description will look like. Now, if you're entering multiple pieces in a class, such as test pieces or in a concert group, you're probably not going to have enough characters to fill in the title of your pieces in the title of the video. So go ahead and just describe the video as good as you can. So in this case, we'll say it's a concert group with pieces by the composer Hubert. So in the description is where you're going to put the names of or the titles of your pieces. So we'll say, and please put them in order. So we'll say that Ginger Cat is the first piece performed. The next piece is Crimson Petals by Hubert. And last performed is, we'll call it Apple Tree by Hubert. So this is what your description will look like in case you have multiple pieces entered in a class. Next, we'll move on to thumbnail. This is just a still image that will show for your video. We'll go on to playlists. That's really if you want to organize your videos. You can go ahead and put them into a playlist right now. This is also something you can do later. For the audience, yes, it's made for kids. No, it's not made for kids. Yes, it's made for kids as if it's specifically targeted towards a younger audience. Maybe it has some advertisements. The rules and regulations for videos that are made for kids are a little bit different. When it's not made for kids, it just means it's more of a general audience. So let's go ahead and choose no, it's not made for kids. We'll go to more options and go all the way down to the bottom. Towards the bottom, you'll see there's a comments and ratings. The comment visibility, we're going to go ahead and disable all comments for the video, as well as unselect show how many viewers like and dislike the videos. Yeah, the video can still be liked and disliked, it just will not show up underneath the video. So we'll go ahead and choose next. We'll go next again. Now, in order to publish your video, you have to choose private, unlisted, or public. In private, it's videos are only viewable by invitation only. So the invitation will go out by an email. It's not really, the link can't be shared, so it's not practical or suitable for a virtual festival. And unlisted videos, they're not searchable, but the link to the video, and this is the link, is shareable. So you need a direct link to the video in order to view it. For public, the videos are searchable on YouTube as well as on Google, and anyone can search and view the video. So let's go ahead and choose unlisted. We'll save that. And that's it. Your video has been published. Now this is the video link. You can get that later, or you can go ahead and copy it to your clipboard now. And that's it. your video is now published as an unlisted video on YouTube.